The Best Western Palace Hotel and Casino on the Isle of Man is a captivating destination situated in Douglas, the island's capital. Offering stunning views of the Irish Sea, the hotel is conveniently located near the beautiful promenade. One of its standout features is the lively casino, which provides a variety of gaming options, including slot machines and table games, appealing to both tourists and locals. The Isle of Man itself has a rich history, known for its status as a tax haven and unique cultural heritage, elements that are reflected in the hotel's design and offerings. In addition to gaming, the hotel regularly hosts events, live music, and entertainment, contributing to its vibrant atmosphere. Guests can also take advantage of wellness facilities, including a spa, fitness centre, and indoor pool, which I could not film due to privacy, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and enjoyment.